How's it going, guys? You're watching 63 feet. I'm sorry, I can't speak. I'm so excited. You're watching 63 Fixed TV, and today we've just been delivered a brand new bike. Stay tuned. We're gonna go collect it right now. Exciting times, eh? Right. Let's get home and do the unboxing. I love new bike days. You know that feeling when it's like Christmas Day and you like wake up and like, oh, I wonder what I've got. Although when you get older, that novelty wears off. I am being so careful when I unpackage this because I've seen loads of people like unbox stuff really fast and they scratch it straight away. So, little tip, be fucking careful when you unbox stuff. Okay, so let's have a look at the contents in one of the boxes that you get. Okay, so we've got some pedals here, which I will not use because they're the ones that are really small and they've got the like cage thing. I'm not going to use those. Also got what looks like a front brake and a back brake right here with the calipers. I've got a rear reflector and a front reflector. And a bell, look at this. This is the first time I've ever seen a bell. I might keep that. Got a diagram, points out all the parts of a bike. Fork, seat, yeah. Got some how to activate your cycling warranty. Please visit this website. And what looks like a instruction book, which we don't need that. For legal reasons, the State Bicycle Company have included all of these like brakes, reflectors, bells and stuff. They've included that legally. They cannot, no company should be able to sell you a bike without a brake. It's apparently illegal. So that's why they've included that. Not necessary in our case. We're just going to keep that and put that to the side. Right. It's quite a nice looking saddle, aesthetically pleasing. Might be an issue on my arse, or under my arse. So the only thing that this does not come with is tools to assemble it, which is fine. Normal bicycle owners will have their own tools anyway, and all you're going to need is like maybe an Allen key, a socket set, just to put the wheels on and stuff, and just tighten things up. And you're going to need a pump as well because they are pretty flat, obviously. So, and I'm also going to use the pedals from my current bike to put on this one. So let's get to the assembling part, shall we? Okay, first things first, I've got some Castrol multi-purpose grease. I know there's better options out there, but I just haven't got the time right now to go out and find the perfect seat post grease. Okay, so multi-purpose. It's worked for me in the past. Make sure you always grease up your seat post, guys, because there's nothing worse than having a seized seat post. Just gonna pop that in there like that. Don't forget a rag as well to wipe your hands. Fuck. I was one of the few lucky people to obtain a Fixedgear London. I don't know what you want to call this, but it's a really cool tool. It's a chain whip. It's a bottle opener. It's got the lock ring tool here, so you can tighten your lock ring, and it's got a pedal tool right there, which is what I'm going to use now. I have a basic rule when it comes to like assembling a bike. If it's got like a screw on it, anything that screws in, like just grease it up a bit. Just make sure that when it comes to changing it or taking it off one day, that you're not dealing with a fucking hassle. And that concludes the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to State Bicycle for sending me this bike. I will leave a link in the description below so you can check that out for yourself, so you can see all the specs and stuff like that. I will be doing a full video review of this when I've experienced it fully. Yeah, just again, massive shout out to State Bicycle for giving me this opportunity to review this bike. If you are new, press subscribe down below, hit the bell icon, that way you'll be notified when I bring out new videos. If you enjoyed this unboxing video, click the like button below, that lets me know that you want to see more of them. If you guys had the chance to have a bike sent to you for free and they said, test this out, what would you do? How would you test that bike out? What would you do? I've got some things in mind already. I'm not going to tell you what. Just wait for that review video. I'm going to bring it out very soon. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video.